So I'm Megan from Valley to Beach Forensic Cleaning here in Newcastle. We own a forensic cleaning company, which is a very niche market to be in, so a bit harder to market than normal.
What was the problem that you had that made you want to reach out in the first place?
I've been through a few marketing agencies. The one I was originally with was good, but I felt like we are at our ceiling with him, with because I wanted so much to track. So obviously my ads cost a lot of money because forensic cleaning is a high paying keyword. So I couldn't really get to the point where I was tracking like deep down with him. So then I moved to this
Mm.
other marketing agency that promised the world, as they do. And I spent $16,500 in 4 months. And just looking back at my Google ads, I got 65 clicks in 4 months.
No.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh my God.
I know, I know. And for me, like, I'm not an IT specialist. I'm not good with computers. So it's always like, I believe what they told me. And then I'm just like, fuck it, finally, I'm going to dig deep and actually try and learn this myself. Because it can't be that hard. It is hard, but surely I could learn it. And I have. So I'm very thankful for that.
And now you're a whiz at computers.
Yeah, not computers, maybe Google Ads, but not computers.
Perfect. So before you ended up buying, what hesitations did you have, and what was it that kind of got you over the line in the end?
So my issue was not very good with computers. That side of things, I thought I would be in way over my head. I didn't think it'd be something I would actually be able to learn as much as I wanted to learn it. I was worried that it would be too tech heavy for me. But then when I lost the $16,500 and no leads, and then I had no jobs for 4 months, I didn't have anything to lose. So, because I already lost
That
it
is
all.
that's crazy. Did you have any conversions from that? Was it just oh,
No, the lead quality was like it was so bad. And like they need a few weeks, it doesn't need a few weeks to fucking learn. It was just like excuse after excuse, and then I just pulled the pin. Like it's
that's the thing
yeah,
when they promise the world, it's like
yeah,
nobody, people ask us all the time, what can I expect? How long will it take? Da, da, da. And I'm like, I'm never gonna sit there and tell someone you will get this in this amount of time because it doesn't work
yeah,
that way. We wish it
yeah,
did, but it doesn't. That's why
yeah,
I'm like arming people with the tools is just like so much better because then there's no guarantees. There's absolutely no guarantees. You can predict
yeah. And
and
then
then you
you're
just
responsible for your own leads. If your lead
yeah,
flows of shit, that's on you. And then you go and learn more, or you go to the advisory calls and get more help. Like
yeah.
it was just, yeah,
Yeah, it's the disappointment, isn't it? That's what kills
yeah.
me.
Like I wouldn't mind losing $16,500 if I got something out of it. But the fact that I didn't, and I had like no work for 4 months, like, there was nothing in the pipeline from it.
You got an
So
expensive lesson.
yeah, yeah. And now I know ads, and now I go back and look at her ads. I'm like, what is that?
Mm.
Like, how is
Yeah.
you charge for that? Like, there's like five headlines, and in the headline was one of them was Valley to Beach. What does
Shut
Valley to
up.
Beach have to do with my headline? It's
Were
not
any of them
even
pinned?
none of them pinned, not one pinned.
Oh, God bless. Well, karma will come for her. All right, perfect. So in the time from when you first signed up, what has changed for you? What results have you got? That sort of thing.
Yeah. So it took me a little while to get my head around it. Um, Obviously, because I run the two businesses. So I have a normal cleaning business and a forensic cleaning business. So my time was spent, my Google ads is for my forensic business. So like I was slowly learning that, slowly jumping on advisory calls after the training. Um, and then I think in January, I started really deep diving into it and setting it all up properly. And then by the 1st of Feb, we started tracking. So I know sometimes like my Google ad tracking is a bit off compared to like the phone ringing and stuff like that.
Mm.
So then I made spreadsheets in February. So every time I got a phone call, I put it in my spreadsheet. Every time I got a lead inquiry, I put it in my spreadsheet. And then I had another spreadsheet that told me the lead qualities. So they're good, shit,
Mm.
whatever they were. And then the location of the lead qualities. And then the job, like, and then if I booked it, then the job value. So I just spent February deep diving. I'm happy to put money into it, but I wanted to make sure it was producing
Mm,
what I knew it was producing, but I wanted to make sure it was like how good it was producing before
yes.
throwing more money at it.
I love a spreadsheet. What did you say? Oh, I should have had it up. What did you say your ad spend was and how much you've closed?
So we had $2,100 in ad spend for February. We closed
Mm.
just under 30K in jobs. And then I got the
Ah.
Nine Honey news article as well.
Oh, of course you did. Yes. Oh, I
Yeah.
actually wrote a dot point about that. Did you
Yeah.
have any warning that was coming, or did you just
No.
wake up one
So
day?
I'm not big on social media. So the only
Mm.
place people find me is Google. So
Mm.
that's why I pump so much money into my Google ads. But yeah, that she just called me and reached out and said if I'd be interested in doing the news article on forensic cleaning, and then I jumped on
That's
it.
amazing. That's
It's
so
more
good.
for it's more for like getting like education out there on how dangerous it is and what is involved in it. People think you just go mop up blood, and that's not the case. So it was
Hmm.
nice to be able to explain a bit deeper of what forensic cleaning actually is.
Yeah, and why it's important to do it right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
So I
amazing.
actually jumped on my friend has a forensic cleaning business in Melbourne, Mrs. Muscle Cleaning, and she uses a different ad person.
Mm.
So I jumped on and changed her forensic ads because her forensic ads wasn't working. So from the 1st of November 2025 to the 26th of January, she had 10 clicks, 39 impressions, and 0 jobs booked. We changed hers at the start of February. So from the 1st of February to now, she's had 11 clicks, 112 impressions, and $24,000 worth of jobs booked.
Oh my God, that's amazing. Oh, that's so nice. It's like you're
And especially
sharing the
being
wisdom.
Yeah, especially being like because it's forensic cleaning is such a niche market and we work very closely together anyway. I'm like, no, you should be getting leads. Like there's no reason you shouldn't be getting leads on your forensic ad. And then when we jumped in there and we looked at it, we knew why.
Yeah.
I sent my husband down to do the training in I think December or January, the Sydney one. So then
Mm.
he's been helping on the back end of it as well. Because I'm so caught up between both businesses, he can
Mm.
fully focus on the Google ads, which is a huge help.
Yes. And then if you do ever want to like go down the agency path again now, you actually know what to look for as well. You're like, nah,
I
you're
never
shit. Nah,
will.
you're good.
I will never go down the agency path again. Not for the money they spend. I'm jumping on board with the co-pilot with you guys.
Oh yeah,
So
who's
yeah,
that with? Is it Sophie?
yes, yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
No,
We
she's
start we
brilliant.
start next month. We start on the 1st of April. But yeah, I will do that where you walk it through with me and teach me as I go, not just say, yep, this is this is it's done now. So I'm
Yeah.
not interested in that now. Like this is where my jobs come from. So it's priority that I know how to bring them in.
That's wicked. That's so good to hear. I mean, you kind of already touched on this a little bit, but in terms of the results that you've had and the changes that you've had, what effect has that had on you personally or professionally?
So personally, it just made me feel like I can actually do it. I don't need someone to talk down to me or be like, well, you don't know what you're on about, because I do now. But mainly just to be able to turn my leads on, fill my own pipeline. If it's busy, turn them off. If it's not busy, deep dive to why it's not busy. What do I need to change? What do I need to edit? To be able to have that control of myself, it
Mm,
takes a whole lot of pressure off in the business.
mm. It's like independence, isn't it? It's like
Yeah,
empowerment. Yeah, no, that's awesome.
yeah.
All right, now into the nitty-gritty bits. Out of everything in the workshop, the program, the support, any of those things, what has been the thing that you valued, like learning the most, or you appreciated being included, has been the most useful, I suppose?
Yeah. So the 2-day workshop where they walk you through how to set up the ads was
Hmm.
invaluable for me because I didn't know how to set up ads. And then obviously the advisory calls. Like if I'm stressed or I have a question, they've got advisory calls every day. You just jump on and ask, and you have like specialized people that know exactly what they're doing at a click of a button. Which is not, you don't
Eh,
have to wait 2 weeks for your call, and like coaching programs, there's like once a month. Like it's literally every day you can just jump on and get a hold of someone.
yeah, we've just hired 3 new ad specialists,
Yeah, well,
so we're gonna like triple the number of calls.
God, there's so
Um,
many already, which is amazing. Like it is to be able to have that support and a click of a button is amazing.
yeah. I love them as well. It's so nice to actually be able to like speak to people properly because I feel the same way about like when we were just doing like the done for you side of things with clients. It was like you'd get to have like maybe a monthly meeting,
Yeah.
maybe. And then it was just email. And I was like, I know I like being able to actually like
Yeah. Have a
do
conversation.
this.
Yeah.
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 Amazing. All right, last one. If anyone was unsure about booking a call or was on the fence, what would you say to them?
You've got nothing to lose. Honestly, I was so worried that I wouldn't be able to do it tech wise, but if I can do it, anyone can do it. The support is amazing. Like it is worth every cent they paid for it.